Legends of Learning presents the Zapple Pie game.
Drag
This
the
is
right
a
number of
math
apples.
game that makes learning about representing
the right
addition
number of
and
apples.
subtraction fun and easy to understand.
Count the apples. Level 1.
In this informative, instructional game, help create some apple pies. It only
Add
requires
apples
you
into
to
the
have the
container
required
by
amount of
dragging
apples
them in.
inside of a container.
Count the total
Be
number
careful,
of apples.
as the chef has keyed in all the other ingredients in the baking machine to match the correct number of apples in the container. And if the number of apples do not match, the pie can
Level
burn.
1. Level 2.
In this game by Zapzapmath, learn how to
Drag
do
the
simple
required
addition
apples out of
and
the
subtraction using apples.
Count
Use the mouse to
total
click on
number
an
of
apple
apples.
and then drag and drop the apples to either add them to the recipe or remove them from the recipe to get just the right amount of apples for the chef.
Level
Point and click on all the apples to
the
count
total
how many
number
are
of
needed
apples.
for the recipe before baking the pie. Answer questions correctly to progress to higher levels. Complete all the levels to win the game.
Add apples into the container.
Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game.
Count the total number
Have
of
fun
apples.
and enjoy playing.
Level